In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your online store using Shopify. Our aim is to walk through some of the key features and functionalities that Shopify offers, focusing on product management, inventory check, and some customization options. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, open your web browser and head over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify store, you're ready to dive into managing your products. The first stop is the Products section. Click on Products in the sidebar. This section is your gateway to managing all the items you offer in your store. Once you're in the Products section, your next stop is the Inventory page. Simply click on Inventory. Here you can see a detailed view of your stock levels, helping you to keep track of the products at hand. It's essential that you regularly monitor this section to ensure you're never caught off guard by low stock levels. Now that you're in the Inventory page, choose the product you'd like to modify, such as an example shirt. You're going to click on this item to start editing. This will take you to a more detailed view of the product, where you can adjust various elements to fit your needs. Upon opening the product, let's first focus on the title. You'll notice a title field right at the top. Click on it if you wish to make any modifications. A clear and catchy title can help in attracting more customers, so it's worth spending some time on making sure it's just right. The next aspect we'll explore is the product description. Below the title, click on Description. This area is your opportunity to tell a story about your product. Highlight its features, benefits, and any unique selling points that can captivate potential buyers. Moving along, it's time to add some appealing visuals. Click on Media. High-quality images can significantly impact a customer's decision to purchase, so ensure you upload clear, professional-looking photos that showcase your product from various angles. Pricing is the next crucial factor. Click on Pricing to set or update the price of your product. It's vital to keep your pricing competitive while also ensuring a healthy profit margin for your business. Next, let's check out the inventory settings by clicking Inventory again. Here you can adjust the quantity available. Keeping this up to date will prevent overselling and inform you when it's time to restock. Shipping options are equally important, so go ahead and click Shipping. Make sure your shipping settings are configured correctly, with clear costs and delivery times. If your product comes in different styles or sizes, click on Variants. Here you can manage the different variations, ensuring customers can select the perfect option. The following sections, like Purchase Options, Product Metafields, Variant Metafields, and Search Engine Listing, offer additional customization and optimization that can enhance the visibility and functionality of your product listings. With a few tweaks here, you can further tailor your products to meet customer needs and improve SEO performance. And there you have it, an overview on managing your Shopify store. Remember, keeping your store up to date and optimized is key to maintaining customer satisfaction and boosting sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling!